Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making a spin art journal and we're binding it with regular Scotch tape. And I'm using a bunch of my favorite DecoArt products. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make a spin art journal. I'm going to leave a link in the description to every product I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave DecoArt a comment, and they'll be sure to get back to you. And don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. See you next week.